Chris,
What?
say something to the camera.
Am I on videotape?
Yes.
Hi.
I'm fucking motherfucking
Baby,
bloodbath.
You his pick, you know?
I'm a bloodbath, Jasmine.
A bloodbath? Thought you were
They
the
call me
bloodbath.
bloodbath. Sometimes to be, politically correct, they be like, hey, how you doing, Mr. Bloodbath? Like, yeah, that's right, motherfucking punk ass bitch.
We used to do that shit.
Are you lying to the camera again,
You
dog?
gay, nigga.
Bitch ass up, nigga.
You lying to the camera again, dog?
Nigga, your whole shirt's about to be blood red.
Tell them how I beat your ass.
Nigga, nobody beat my ass.
Tell the people.
Oh, I saw that shit, man.
Tell the people how I beat you up, Chris.
Hey, bring that motherfucking camera back over here.
Tell the
See
people
this
the
shit right
truth.
here?
Thomas
See
got
this shit
him
right
on the
here?
left.
You're excused.
No, you
Excuse
didn't.
me.
Bring that camera back.
Watch it, boy. Don't break my shit. I'll break your face. El Krim. Talk to my camera.
No, I don't like that.
Please, El Krim.
No.
Just that out.
Come here. Please, El Krim.
Why?
You sexy yellow pimp. Please. The ladies love El Krim, El Krim.
My nigga, is you serious? Yeah, I'm serious, bitch.
Oh, my shorts are wet from this grass.
Somebody say something funny. Somebody say something funny.
Definitely about to steal one.
Funny?
Not you, Tessa. I said funny, not weird.
Tacky.
That's not nice. Not tacky. Say something tacky.
Aza,
But I'm out. Give me your point.
my coochie's burning.
I'm out.
Guess I'm deleting this video now. Guess I'm finna delete this shit, wasting up my time.
Save it.